From the woods and waters, lakes and streams, the outdoor calls us to chase our northern Michigan dreams. We are family, we are friends, our adventure starts where the blacktop ends. Come along and join in the fun. We here at D&D Wild Outdoors hold our passion for the wild second to none.
What's up, guys? Derek with D&D Wild Outdoors. We're heading out fishing. It's December 2nd. It's cold, little wind. Boat launches are closed down, docks are pulled out. We really had an awesome time about a week ago, ripping wraps for walleyes. Did a double limit. It was a great day. We're experiencing some cold. We just had a big blizzard. You can see all the snow all over. Everything's whited out. There's snow in the bottom of the boat from getting it in the lake and kind of muscling it in here. But all in all, it should be a good trip out. Same type of conditions. We got the wind's supposed to die down nice this evening. So I'm waiting on Steve right now. Should be here anytime. So stay tuned. Let's get out here and see if we can't rip up some walleyes, some cold water walleyes. We're literally on top of ice right now. I mean, we are weeks out. It's here. It's time. So stay tuned, guys. Let's get them. On the dropskins. Oh, yeah. Stay tuned. Oh, my God. Where is it? Nice fish. Nice walleye. And it's off, too. Really? I was gonna say that was. Yeah. That's a nice one. Nice one. Nice fish. Jigging wraps, guys. Late fall, cold water. At it again. Steve's hooked up, guys. Oh my God! Lost him. Lost him. Oh, darn it. Here we go. Steve's hooked up again, guys. Second cast in a row, literally.
Their fish holding.
Look at this guy, he's killing it.
Ooh, baby, don't come off. Please don't come off.
Stay pinned. 2 casts in a row.
Nice fish. Come on, baby.
Ooh, he's digging, man. He's going under the boat.
Ooh,
Staying deep.
Got some weight.
Look at this. Look at this rod
Come
doubled.
on, baby. Stay on there.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's a monster.
Oh my God, look at it.
Oh my God, dude.
Look at
Nice
the tank.
fish.
I got my line out. You should be okay.
Dude.
Look at this, you guys. Hogzilla. Freshwater. Ooh. Buddy.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Holy shit. That's our best one, dude. Whoa. Just came off in the net. Spawning.
Oh.
They're spawning. You just crapped all over my boat, bud.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Just a tank, dude. Good job, man. Good job. We got to keep going, guys. We'll get back. Dang, dude.
Almost 25 inches.
25 and just, yeah, right at 25.
Well, we're going to let them go.
Yep, let's revive her and send her to the deep.
It's your lucky day, bud. Had you in the cooler for a minute.
See you later. Look at that, straight to bottom, man. Didn't even mess around. That's cool.
Hooked up again.
This one's smaller. Yeah, she ain't no 7-pounder like the one you just got.
Don't forget my line's out there, so if you can bring him over here.
I'm good under you right now.
Okay.
There he is.
All right.
Little male.
Bring him around this way. It's good eater.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hooks perfectly. Get him, get him.
Nice fish. All right, bud.
Nice job. Oh my God,
Came
dude,
off.
they come off so easy.
Good eater though.
Nice. Nice, let's stay at it, man. They get it. They get it. Hooked up, guys. Dude, this is a pretty heavy fish. Stay on it. Okay, let me, look at the fin, dude. Look at the fin. Flip that way. Yeah, there you go, there you go. It's a nice one. Oh, you inhaled it, dude. Oh, get that. Yeah. Nice. Heck yeah. Oh, we didn't get tangled up in the net for the first time.
Got him?
Thank you. Good net jab. Look at that, guys. Smashed it. Inhaled that wrap. Just slowly picking them up. We originally came into a pot of fish and we couldn't keep our rods in the lake. And now we're just kind of picking them up here. We're coming into the evening hours. Holy crap, you guys. Steve's hooked up. What was this, like third cast in a row? We found fish. We're on a pot of them.
Nice fish, feels like. Don't come off.
Dude, you're putting that new rod to the test, bud.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh my God, another nice one, dude. There it is.
Got it. All right, bud.
Yes. Gotta be kidding me right now. Guys, we're using these custom-made jigging wraps. I will not give out the name of them right now because they are truly top-notch, but match the hatch, basically. Whatever bait substance your fish are feeding on, use it. Find a replica, find a duplicate. That's what works. That's what we're doing here. Check
Nice
that out.
fish.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Are you kidding me, dude? He
Hurry
hit
up,
it.
You don't have it much.
Oh my gosh. Dude.
Oh my gosh.
He was reeling up, you guys, and this thing just crushed it. What? What?
Let it go again. That's bigger than the last one. What? He came up, followed it right up to the boat. Are you kidding?
How
me?
in the heck is that
He's
possible?
off too. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's a pig.
That
He didn't
is,
even have time to fight. Oh, let go. There it is. Wow. Oh my gosh.
oh, he's hung up. There
I was
you go.
like, what? A pike?
Dude, look at the fin out on that. Oh my
Beautiful.
gosh.
Let's see how big he is. He's bigger than the last one.
It is too,
He is,
almost 26. Wow.
All right.
Hold on one second. Hold on one second.
Man, throwing these pigs away.
Woo.
Just like that. Right down to the bottom.
Sail.
He's in the zone.
Oh man, it's a nice one.
Are you serious? Another pig?
Feels like it.
Look at this rod, you guys.
Oh!
Oh, are you kidding me? Guys.
All right.
Stressful.
It felt like that.
Hooked up again, guys, right here next to the boat. Just hammered that one, too. He hammered it. Oh, nice fish, too.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Please. Oh, don't be bending up my lure, man. Who are you irritating on the phone?
I don't know.
Guys, you gotta try the fall jig and wrap bite, man. It's hot. Look at these. Michigan gold, baby.
Hooked up. Nice fish.
This feels like a big one. I might have finally got my big one for the day. No, he's getting a little smaller, Dad.
Yeah. You'd be surprised.
Boy, maybe not. He's dogging heavy. Dogging heavy.
You don't want to come up, does he?
Whoa.
Nice.
Whoa. Scared, man.
Don't come off.
Fingers on the drag.
We gotta at least see it.
Fingers on the drag.
Had to cast before me. I had to put some chapstick
I
on.
cast straight out, too.
This is a nice point here.
Oh,
Where's
man.
he at?
He's staying down. He's right below the boat right now. He's not down. He's not down.
Where is he?
Oh, there he is.
Oh. There he is. Nice fish.
Awesome.
Well, guys, that could possibly conclude our December 2nd walleye jig and wrap fishing trip. Just cooling right down. See my breath, my eyes are freezing up. Man, I wish it was ice fishing time, but you know, this pretty much can't get any better, sufficing the situation with some open water walleye fishing. So thanks for being with us today. Hope to see you on the hard water soon. If not, we may see you back out here in the open water. We got to keep going, man. Fishing is the life. So stay tuned, follow D&D, subscribe to the channel, and as always, stay true to the outdoors.